This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious churro balls. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of butter in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth, thick dough forms. This is the base for your perfect churro balls. Next, transfer your warm churro dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe small, bite-sized dough balls directly into the hot oil. Fry them in batches, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Once fried, immediately transfer the warm churro balls to a bowl containing a mixture of 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Toss them gently until each ball is evenly coated with the sweet cinnamon sugar. These are best enjoyed fresh and warm. Serve them right away with your favorite dipping sauces, like rich chocolate or creamy caramel, for an extra treat. For the best churro balls, always ensure your oil temperature stays consistent, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a thermometer helps greatly. Also, avoid overcrowding your frying pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in greasy churros. Fry in small batches to keep them perfectly crispy. And hey, for other great kitchen solutions, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.